We love a loop trail. Okay, it is my night 3 check-in. I'm still here in Killarney Provincial Park. I spent the day hiking in the park. Morning, I'm currently hiking the Cranberry Bog Trail, 2.5 kilometer loop. We love a loop trail.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
There's a lot of birds chirping. I've been like trying to do a bit of bird watching, but the trees here are so tall and so dense that it's really hard to spot anything. So I'm gonna keep looking, but thought I'd say good morning. So good morning.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
The highlight of my day was sitting at one of the lakes on the first trail I did. It was the Cranberry Bog Trail, and there's just this beautiful lake kind of near the end of the trail. The rock was so comfortable. It was like perfect to sit and lean back, and yeah, it was so comfy. And then the low point of my day, I don't really know. Today was just like a really good day. I guess still the bugs. Yeah, I'm not gonna think too much about what I think the low point might be, because if it's not obvious, it's not obvious. Neither side of me left, and so I actually might have a peaceful night. I just want to go to sleep. Maybe I'll get new neighbors, but oh my god, it's only 5:30. I thought it was like 8 p.m. I was like ready for bed, basically. Oh my gosh. I have so much time left to do things. I ate dinner so early. Oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna work on writing my blog, I think. I have a lot to write about, so if you don't read my blog, and you're planning a trip to any of these places that I'm going to, you definitely should check it out, because I put a lot of tips and ideas of things to do in there. So, shameless plug, go read the blog, link down below probably, and also subscribe. I'm getting better at this YouTube thing. Okay, good night!